Oh my gosh, I have so much to do. I have to do so much work. I have to use this. I don't know what to do. Ah! Chef Pee-Pee, I am so disappointed in you for what you did. Why are you disappointed in me? Well, first of all, you messed up my furrowed cheeks. What's my furrowed cheeks? Yeah, which means you're going to do whatever we say. And if you don't, we're gonna kill you, spoil you, and beat you with this thing. Yeah, dude. Yeah, Chompy's in our side too. Come on, Chef BB, do it. But, come on, guys. Oh, fine. Oh, I'll do whatever y'all say. And do it quickly. But where's the work? Do it, Chef BB! So lazy! Now! Okay. I'll put the juice away. Oh, got it all over my clothes. Ow! Do it! Okay! I don't know what else to do. Shh! Make a video. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Come on, Bowser! Why are you being so mean to me right now? Because we want you to do the work! Now! Okay, now! Okay! Okay, oh god. Pick this up, now! Okay. See, it dropped itself! Dum-dums! Don't you ever call me dum-dum! Yeah, no, do whatever we say! Okay. You want some cheese? No, I don't want our cheese! But, guys, look, I don't care what that noise is. Just do it! But guys, I barely have any food to do. Just do it! Alright. Chompy! You stupid! Oh, you know what else? This. No, please, no. Ow. Okay. I won't do that to your dog ever again. Come on, man. What was that for? For spraying my dog. Duh!